All right, guys, it is time for break number 9 of our 2022 Leaf Autograph Football Jersey. This is a pick your team break. So all of these are listed on the website, tennskinbreaks.com. They're listed under random breaks. That's where all of our breaks are listed right now on our website. So thanks to all of you guys for helping fill up this break. We've done a ton of these, looking for one of those big names like Mahomes or Brady. So hopefully we can pull one of those in this one. So you can see those teams to the right of your screen. So good luck, guys. Here we go. All right, what do we got? We got a Harris. It's going to be a Cliff Harris. We're going old school on this one. Beckett authenticated. I don't know if that's a Cowboy. It is. Hall of Fame, 2-time Super Bowl, Cliff Harris. Nobody cares because he plays for the Cowboys. Played from 70 to 79. All right, so Dallas on that one's going to Carlton. All right, Carlton. So there you go, man. You grab the Cowboys a lot. I know you're a Seattle guy, but I know you got the Cowboys some, so congratulations, man. We'll get that in the mail to you tomorrow. And we'll load up another Leaf football jersey on the website and break it right here next Monday night.